Cleaning the wiper. Operation time, approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Cleaning frequency, every day. Make sure to use F200 LF200 washing liquid for cleaning. Make sure to remove media before cleaning the wiper. Press the maintenance key once. Confirm that carriage out is displayed, and then press the Enter key. Confirm that station maintenance is displayed, and then press the Enter key. Carriage moves to the table. Clean the wiper, wiper slider and wiper blade. Put a small amount of washing liquid into the dropper from F200 LF200 washing liquid bottle, and put in a disposable cup. Soak a clean stick in washing liquid. Make sure not to return washing liquid in the disposable cup into the washing liquid bottle. Pull out the wiper by holding the protrusions at its both ends. Wipe off the ink and dust sticking to the wiper and bracket with clean stick dipped in washing liquid. If clean stick becomes dirty, replace it with a new one. Wipe off the ink and dust sticking to the wiper slider with clean stick dipped in washing liquid. Wipe off the ink and dust sticking to the wiper braid with clean stick dipped in washing liquid. Insert the wiper by holding both ends of the wiper. Press the Enter key after the cleaning. Machine LCD returns to local. This is the end of cleaning the wiper. Check together with requests for daily care and maintenance, and operation manual. Perform daily maintenance to keep the print quality.